Yeah, robots can dance, they can walk around, they can interact. I think we're headed to a radically different world. Showed several of our Tesla Optimus robots to His Highness and President Trump, and I think they were very impressed.
Elon Musk has just revealed a detail suggesting that the Tesla Optimus Gen 3 has attracted significant attention from President Trump. This incredible humanoid robot, not only intelligent, but also a lightning-fast self-learning machine priced under $20,000 and won immense admiration across the United States. So, when will the Tesla Optimus go on sale in the US market? But before we begin, please help us reach 12,000 subscribers. It will be a huge motivation for us to continue bringing you great episodes about Tesla Bot, Tesla EVs, and the latest news. Tesla Optimus Gen 3 has indeed captured widespread attention, including from high-profile figures like President Trump, as highlighted in recent events, such as the Saudi-US Investment Forum, where Elon Musk showcased the robot's advanced dance capabilities to Trump and the Saudi Crown Prince. This demonstration underscores the robot's growing appeal as a versatile self-learning humanoid designed for tasks ranging from household chores to industrial work, with Tesla targeting a price point under $20,000 to make it accessible for broad adoption. A recent update from a reliable Tesla source reveals that Optimus Gen 3 is on track for limited production starting in early 2025, primarily for internal use within Tesla factories to fine-tune operations and gather real-world data. So far, the actual number of robots produced has reached 1,000 units, and plans to ramp up production are set for later this year in preparation for full commercial rollout to external customers, including both consumers and businesses in the U.S. Expect the synergies to begin in 2026. This timeline aligns with Elon Musk's statement during Tesla's Q1 2025 all-hands meeting and subsequent updates, which emphasized that 2025 would focus on scaling up production and testing a fleet of internal units before broad deployment.
Well, I think the cost is actually not going to be crazy high, like less than a car.
Elon Musk is focusing on simplifying daily life for elderly individuals who are facing rising costs and the shortcomings of traditional care services. Priced under $20,000, the Tesla Bot is not only a cost-effective option, but also a reliable assistant, helping seniors maintain safety and independence in their daily activities. Tesla has unveiled a fresh demonstration video that highlights the extraordinary skills of the Optimus robot, as it carried out an array of innovative activities, further cementing its promise as an essential aid in the home. This footage has ignited widespread enthusiasm and eagerness for the eventual commercial rollout of Optimus. It tackled everyday household responsibilities such as sweeping floors, vacuuming surfaces, and whipping up straightforward recipes. It operated a microwave oven, collected discarded items, and performed cleaning operations with remarkable accuracy. The showcase extended beyond domestic scenarios, as the robot also managed factory-based duties like retrieving automobile components in an industrial environment, showcasing its flexibility to support both residential settings and assembly lines. The standout element of Optimus's functionality lies in its user-friendly design. Instead of depending on extensive sequences of pre-programmed directives, Optimus requires only a solitary spoken prompt, for instance, grab the broom and sweep the floor, to fully comprehend the assignment and execute it from start to finish. No detailed scripting is necessary. Simply convey the instruction in everyday speech, and it independently manages the entire process. A key highlight is its seamless dual-hand synchronization, representing a substantial evolution from prior models. Previous editions of Optimus largely depended on a single hand for elementary functions, but the current version can effortlessly coordinate both hands together, enabling much more intricate and lifelike movements. Operating in the background, its neural network processes instantaneous movement trajectories, evades potential impacts, and ensures steady equilibrium, all while leveraging a pure vision system that handles 576 megapixels of data per second via custom D1 chips for real-time mapping and obstacle detection. However, Tesla's breakthroughs extend beyond mechanical design. They are fundamentally reshaping robotic training paradigms. While conventional robots depend on techniques like motion capture or manual remote operation, Tesla employs a more expandable and sophisticated strategy, empowering Optimus to absorb abilities by analyzing recordings of human actions. This method parallels how individuals turn to YouTube videos to master skills like mending a plumbing issue or preparing a culinary creation. That's the underlying principle. Optimus can observe clips showing a person mixing contents in a pot, organizing folded clothes, or searing a cut of meat, then duplicate those gestures within a digital simulation, refining them through billions of virtual iterations. Once it attains close to flawless proficiency, it's transitioned into actual implementation. Such autonomous simulation-based training enables Optimus to master fresh competencies far more rapidly and resourcefully than standard practices. Backed by a 2.3 kilowatt-hour high-density battery pack that delivers 8 to 10 hours of continuous operation per charge and supports 90% recharging in just 30 minutes. And the advancements grow even more remarkable. Tesla has developed a shared intelligence architecture, ensuring that once a single Optimus unit acquires a skill, for example, crafting an omelet, that expertise becomes immediately shared with every other Optimus robot worldwide. Individual retraining for each unit is eliminated, drawing from Tesla's proven autonomous driving AI framework, which has drawn lessons from over 6 billion miles of real road information to refine decision processes. The system promotes collective enhancement across the entire network. This is complemented by rigorous endurance evaluations, where Optimus has endured more than 20 million operational cycles without failure, underscoring its durability for demanding environments. With plans for over 1,000 units in internal factory deployment by the end of 2025, following pilot production that began in April, Optimus Gen 3 is poised for high-volume external sales, starting in 2026. In addition, there's a Tesla plan currently underway that may significantly impact the mass production of Tesla Optimus later this year. And we'd like to reveal it right now. Amid the booming automation industry, Tesla, under the leadership of Elon Musk, is spearheading the revolution with two groundbreaking projects, Robotaxi and Optimus. The expansion of Robotaxi production is not only a major step forward in the field of autonomous mobility, but also brings substantial positive benefits for Tesla Optimus. So, how will the Robotaxi expansion plan help Tesla Optimus reach users? Based on Tesla's latest updates in 2025, this expansion helps share AI technology, optimize production processes, strengthen financial resources, and reinforce its competitive position, thereby accelerating the development of Optimus. First and foremost, the expansion of Robotaxi production strengthens Tesla's unified AI foundation, directly benefiting Optimus through the sharing of data and machine learning algorithms. Robotaxi relies on Tesla's full self-driving system, which by 2025 has accumulated over 6 billion miles of real-world autonomous driving data. This data not only helps Robotaxi expand its service in Austin, where the service area has doubled, covering more than 53,000 University of Texas students, but can also be transferred to train Optimus. Optimus uses an end-to-end neural network architecture, similar to FSD, to handle complex tasks like cleaning, cooking, or assembling components. For example, the ability to process real-time data from Robotaxi helps Optimus improve its environmental recognition algorithms, achieving 99.9% accuracy in repetitive tasks, reducing learning time from months to just weeks. Elon Musk revealed that Optimus Gen 3 will feature huge improvements, including enhanced freedom of movement in the hands and the ability to learn from video after just 10 to 20 observations, thanks to data from FSD expanded through Robotaxi. This makes Optimus smarter, with a learning speed 10 times faster, thanks to a centralized AI system, where the experience of one robot is shared across the entire fleet. Tesla plans to produce thousands of Robotaxi units in 2025, starting from factories like Fremont and Giga, Texas, with plans to expand to Arizona and California in the coming months. Moreover, the gigacasting technology and factory automation used for Robotaxi can be directly applied to Optimus, reducing production costs to under $20,000 per unit, 30% lower than competitors like Boston Dynamics. According to the plan, Tesla aims to produce 10,000 Optimus units in 2025 and increase that to 50,000 in 2026, with a long-term goal of reaching 100 million units per year. This expansion also includes increasing the Robotaxi fare from $4.20 to $6.90, helping to optimize revenue and invest in a 52-volt lithium battery with a 2.3 kilowatt-hour capacity, enabling Optimus to operate continuously for more than 10 hours. Additionally, the deployment of Robotaxi in crowded areas, like Austin, demonstrates large-scale production capabilities, helping Tesla solve the chicken and egg problem in robot development. Real-world data is needed for improvement, and robots are needed to gather that data. With 1,300 service centers and factories across 3 continents, Tesla can deploy Optimus in real-world environments, collecting data from millions of hours of operation, similar to how Robotaxi has done with FSD. The Robotaxi market is projected to be worth $5 to $7 trillion, with Tesla leading the way due to its ability to scale in any direction at any time, a warning to competitors like Waymo. These resources directly benefit Optimus, with plans to integrate Grok AI from XAI to process natural language and coordinate teams. Analysts predict that Optimus could generate long-term revenue of $10 trillion, replacing human labor in repetitive tasks and creating 133 million new jobs in the technology sector. Finally, the success of Robotaxi enhances Tesla's market position, paving the way for Optimus to reach a broader customer base. Tesla's application for Robotaxi permits in Arizona and its creation of new jobs demonstrate confidence, with plans to deploy in multiple U.S. cities by the end of 2025. This attracts investment, pushing Tesla stock price to 400 to 500 by the end of 2025, according to analysis on Reddit. For Optimus, the benefit lies in increased trust from investors and consumers, making it easier for the robot to access the global humanoid market, which is projected to reach $13 billion by 2029. Furthermore, integration with Tesla's ecosystem such as Starlink and Powerwall enhances its value and capabilities. So, how will the latest changes to the Tesla Optimus version 3 change the way they operate? Recent developments indicate a strategic pause in production, not as a setback but as an opportunity to refine this ambitious project for a transformative role, a versatile homemaker. By enhancing its adaptability, balance, and task learning capabilities, Tesla is positioning Optimus to redefine daily life while leveraging its broader technological ecosystem, spanning autonomous driving, energy storage, and manufacturing. Tesla appears to be honing in on refining the practical capabilities of Optimus, gearing it up for tasks that require adaptability and balance in real-world environments. Meanwhile, ongoing development likely continues to expand its potential. This video teases some exciting steps towards making the robot even more versatile and effective for a wide range of applications. While competitors like Boston Dynamics' Atlas robot have showcased remarkable mobility in real-world tests, it's clear that these machines, though impressive, lack the sophisticated neural networks integrated into Tesla's Optimus. This gives Tesla's robot an edge, as it has achieved a human-like balance that goes beyond mere mechanical movement. When compared to the first generation, Optimus Gen 3 has already seen a 70% increase in movement speed. Elon Musk had previously projected a 30% speed boost for the second generation, meaning we're looking at a total speed improvement of 60% from Gen 1. This shows Tesla's relentless pursuit of more human-like agility and mobility, a clear indicator that there's still a long road ahead, but the progress is undeniable. And here's something you might not know. Tesla's advantage isn't just its technology. When stepping into the robotics field, Tesla needed to distinguish itself from other tech giants. Expertise alone wasn't enough, especially for an automaker diving into a new industry. That's why Tesla has harnessed its extensive logistics network and repurposed electric vehicle components to build robots, playing to its strengths in both advanced engineering and large-scale manufacturing. Elon Musk's ultimate vision? To produce billions of these robots, Tesla is already well on its way to turning that vision into a reality. How fast does Tesla Optimus version 3 process information? Tesla Bot Gen 3, equipped with cutting-edge computing power, can swiftly analyze vast amounts of data, uncovering patterns, trends, and insights that would be beyond the grasp of human analysts. Tesla Bot Optimus is believed to process information at an astonishing rate of up to 1,000 frames per second, 10 times faster than the human brain. This extraordinary processing speed allows the robot to excel in tasks that require rapid decision-making, such as autonomous driving and real-time object detection. It's safe to say that Tesla Bot Optimus is pushing the limits of artificial intelligence, revolutionizing the field of robotics. Imagine a medical research team analyzing a vast dataset of thousands of medical records to find correlations between lifestyle factors and a specific disease. This task would take immense time and effort, with each researcher reading and analyzing records individually. Due to limited resources, time, and energy, it would be hard to process the data efficiently. However, a Tesla bot Optimus Gen 2, capable of processing information 10 times faster than humans, could scan and analyze these medical records automatically in a fraction of the time. How affordable is the Tesla bot Gen 3 Optimus?
Also need to be very good at scale manufacturing. So in order to have the robot not cost like hundreds of thousands of dollars, in order to make it cost like $10,000 or $20,000.
When folks hear price, they often tense up, expecting a hit to the wallet. But Tesla is changing that story entirely. Elon Musk has mentioned multiple times, specifically 3 occasions, that the Optimus humanoid robot should eventually cost under $20,000. This positions Tesla as a pioneer in making smart robots accessible in an era of advanced automation. Recent posts from Musk on X suggest a $60,000 price for both Optimus and the Cybercab down the line, but that's contingent on Tesla achieving large-scale production. Earlier this year, Elon Musk gave a peek into Tesla's upcoming plans. By the close of 2025, Optimus, their humanoid robot, might be available for purchase. Of course, don't expect bargain basement pricing right away. Like any innovative technology, the initial phase involves significant investment in research, adjustments, and scaling up manufacturing. Thus, the debut Optimus models could range from $50,000 to $70,000. Yet, that's what makes it exciting. This isn't merely a cost, it's an entry point. Tesla's long-term vision for Optimus is to reach a price of $20,000 to $30,000 once volume production ramps up. That's under half the price of an average electric vehicle now. More crucially, it redefines concepts of work, productivity. Early purchasers may shell out more initially, but they'll probably enjoy the biggest advantages first. Why? Optimus isn't simply an assistant, it's a productivity booster. From putting together parts in manufacturing plants to helping seniors at home or handling tough jobs non-stop, this robot never gets ill, requires downtime, or demands regular retraining. Essentially, you're investing in reliability, output, and the ability to shift human employees to more strategic roles. Elon Musk has emphasized that the first generation won't be broadly released. Tesla aims to use around 1,000 Optimus units in its facilities initially. This is a clever strategy, perfecting its functionality in actual settings before selling to outsiders. In this in-house period, Tesla can enhance both the robot and the spaces it operates in. For buyers, this ensures that Gen 3, the version for external markets, will be battle-hardened, improved, and prepared. Picture heading to your go-to gadget store and spotting a display, Tesla Bot Gen 3, just $30,000. After all, existing humanoid robots often exceed 6 figures. But that's the hint Elon Musk dropped in a June 2024 discussion with investors. Gen 3 is ready to disrupt the scene with a price comparable to a pre-owned car, not an extravagant boat. For individuals on limited pension, Social Security, or basic savings, $30,000 could still feel high until you compare it to standard caregiving expenses. Take a home caregiver at $25 hourly. For 2 hours daily, 5 days weekly, that's more than $13,000 yearly, not including bonuses or extra time. Over 3 years, you're out up to $40,000, frequently without assured steadiness if the caregiver is unavailable or quits. By comparison, a single buy of Tesla Bot Gen 3 means no ongoing arrangements. It's always ready, dependable, and vacation-free. Across 5 years, even adding some upkeep and repair costs, it's still way less than relying on people for assistance. Robots can fail. You could counter. Valid concern, but Tesla's global repair infrastructure for vehicles is already established. If your bot requires service, it can head to a nearby center or get picked up by a tech without astronomical fees. To frame it differently, it's like swapping your reliable old car for one that also whips up breakfast, sort of. You'd be upset if your beat-up ride broke down in bad weather, yet we tolerate paying twice as much for inconsistent human help. Gen 3's pricing challenges that mindset. Since this isn't like financing a house, Tesla plans to introduce payment options suited for seniors. minimal or no interest, extended periods, and maybe credits for trading in aids like walkers or elevators. If it seems unrealistic, recall Musk's history of price drops. The Model 3 went from $30,000 to below $30,000 in mere months. While we're dealing with figures, the core is accessibility. Tesla isn't pushing a robot. They're providing a world where cutting-edge tech integrates into everyday lives, finances, and households. That's a discussion that matters. Consider the big picture. Influential people and companies where automation is essential, not optional. Think Amazon, FedEx, or Walmart. These pioneers won't hesitate at $50,000 as the benefits are clear. Better operations, reduced labor expenses, and frankly, status. For stars, having an Optimus could be as much about ease as flair. Envision a famous creator or business leader offloading chores, planning, or to a robot, gaining more free time. For Tesla, each prominent use is priceless promotion. You can't purchase the kind to buzz. Tesla won't leave buyers hanging. Before sales, they'll launch a leasing option, letting users try the tech before committing fully. Rentals might run $100 to $500 monthly, a modest fee for testing a revolutionary tool that may soon be vital in residences and enterprises. Although some fixate on the true tale is sustained worth. The early outlay is an opportunity, not an impediment. And for savvy individuals who grasp compounding benefits, Optimus might be the top choice this decade. How can Tesla's Optimus Gen 3 convince global doubters? It's obvious that numerous watchers aren't fully on board with Tesla, despite Musk's claims that a later Optimus will hit $20,000 to $30,000. Even after showing the robot handling ballet spins to daily jobs, excitement is oddly subdued. Critics say Gen 3 falls short of the buzz. What's causing the doubt, and what's Tesla's actual progress? Similar to how EVs seemed sci-fi a decade back, Tesla's robots are on a parallel path. Who foresaw widespread EV use or incentives for charging then? Today, Tesla dominates EV markets, and its Robotaxi showcase highlighted top-tier self-driving tech. They could stop there, but Musk envisions Tesla as a leading innovator. Post-transport disruption, his focus-scale robots, like Optimus, relying on a humanoid for routine activities is a major step. Unlike vehicles, where you review stats, drive tests, and feedback, a $20,000 road potential. So far, Tesla's previews feature Optimus folding clothes, arranging blocks, cleaning plant areas, and lately, dumping waste, blending food, and dancing ballet. Remarkable? Definitely. But skepticism persists until people witness flawless performance in actual homes and work sites. Tesla's Optimus story started in 2021 with the project's debut. By the end of 2022, engineers unveiled the initial of vital validation. Within half a year, mid-2023 brought Gen 2 for internal trials, refining skills in fact. Soon after, Gen 3 arrived with 30% quicker movement and advanced hands, boasting 22 degrees of freedom. Gen 3 handles varied duties: ballet moves, binning debris on lines, kitchen measuring and mixing, monitoring fixed equipment, and fast battery sorting. And development continues. Musk teased on X a revamped Gen 3, shaped by extensive internal hours due by year's end. When selecting a Model Y, you dive into mileage evaluations, cabin tours, extreme condition tests, comparisons, endless resources. Optimus shoppers, though, have limited. True, Tesla uses about 1,000 Gen 1 units in its factories for tasks like frame welding, seam inspections, belt cleaning, and part loading. This practical honing refines it, but it hasn't led to open trials or test operations for the masses. Building a humanoid to acquire intricate patterns, like ballet routines or careful soup mixing, is a huge AI and tech obstacle. Unlike wireless patches, each version needs manual building and tuning before imitating actions. Tesla's method, internal trials, phased improvements, is solid. But buyers want footage of Optimus navigating stairs with laundry, rapidly organizing items on belts, or grabbing deliveries. Boston Dynamics raised expectations, with Atlas acrobatics, spot-conquering uneven ground. Now, Tesla has to exceed simple upright shows. It should publicize Optimus expertly positioning pallets for forklifts or managing a complete meal prep in an ever. When reports about this issue surfaced, much of the conversation focused on whether Tesla resembled other robotics firms, capable of creating altering at large-scale production. Some critics even dubbed Elon Musk the ultimate hype man, suggesting Tesla had become more notorious for delays, unfulfilled promises, and unreliability. However, there would not be so dire. The Tesla bot, Optimus, hasn't been scrapped, but is on a temporary hold. According to credible sources, Tesla will pause Optimus production for at least 2 months to allow for a design overhaul and hardware upgrades needed for the final version, Optimus Gen 3. This aligns with Musk's recent X posts, where he hinted at significant improvements, stating, "So many upgrades coming in the next Optimus design, and Optimus V3 will be incredible." Reports from China indicate Tesla halted component orders roughly 2 weeks ago. By late May, Tesla had secured parts for 1,200 Optimus units and assembled nearly 1,000. Earlier, at Tesla's all-hands meeting, Musk pledged to produce 5,000 units this year, but with the current pause, suppliers doubt this target will be achieved. In early June, the Optimus project saw a leadership change when Milan Kovac, its head, resigned for personal reasons. Ashok Elaswamy, Tesla's VP of AI software, stepped in and pushed for design improvements before scaling production. The revamped Optimus design is reportedly unique and better suited for mass production than the current version. Even so, the existing Optimus Gen 2 already surpasses most global humanoid robot designs. The production pause, however, isn't solely due to the redesign. Tesla informed suppliers that Optimus faces hardware challenges, including overheating joint motors, low payload capacity and dexterous hands, short transmission lifespan, and limited battery life. Tesla is testing dexterous hand samples from various suppliers and exploring 3 distinct technical solutions. An insight that Optimus is currently limited to moving batteries within Tesla's battery factories, at less than half the efficiency of a human worker. It has not yet tackled complex vehicle assembly tasks. Clearly, Tesla needs more time to refine Optimus for its envision as a homemaker robot. Despite this, Elon Musk's bold claims have fueled public expectations of imminent breakthroughs. Before Optimus can become a true companion, it requires several upgrades, particularly for the Gen 3 version. A key enhancement beyond its design is the integration of Grok Voice AI, a proprietary voice control system confirmed by Elon Musk. Unlike most humanoid robots, which either lack voice capabilities or use limited pre-programmed phrases, Grok Voice elevates Optimus into an engaging companion that can converse, explain, and respond in a human-like way. Powered by xAI's advanced AI, voice goes beyond traditional assistant's fixed commands, understanding contextual speech and responding naturally. This makes it ideal for non-tech-savvy users like children or the elderly. For instance, saying, "Optimus, guide me through using the dishwasher," prompts a clear, step-by-step response. Musk has always envisioned Optimus as a versatile daily assistant, not just an industrial tool. Grok Voice realizes this by enabling tasks like tutoring kids, assisting with or retrieving information in an intuitive, user-friendly manner. Moreover, Grok Voice performs reliably in noisy or multilingual environments, filtering out background sounds and accurately identifying speakers. At the We Robot event in October 2024, 50 Optimus demonstrated this by flawlessly handling voice commands in a loud, crowded setting, impressing attendees with their precision and capability. While Optimus is a focal point of Tesla's robotics ambitions, it is just one piece of a much larger technological puzzle. Tesla's expertise in AI, energy storage, and manufacturing is being leveraged across multiple domains, creating a cohesive ecosystem where each innovation supports and enhances the others. At the heart of Tesla's Techno is its autonomous driving technology, particularly the full self-driving system. The AI that powers FSD is the same that will drive Optimus, enabling the robot to navigate complex environments, make decisions, and interact with the physical world. The development of FSD has provided Tesla with a wealth of data and experience in real-world AI applications, which is invaluable for Optimus. What do you think about this? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. We hope to bring the best information to you. Please give a thumbs up if you like this. Join Techno Creator by subscribing and hit the bell icon so you will not miss out on any awesome videos. We value your feedback. Thanks for watching. Until then, stay safe and have fun.